Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'm going to show you a 1951 Mercury sports sedan. Now, this is a four-door with suicide doors on the back. This car is absolutely gorgeous. It has been completely restored, top to bottom. The engine was overhauled, 110 horsepower, 255 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual with overdrive. Correct Mercury heads, machine and coated ceramic exhaust manifold, all new heads and manifold bolts, painted slate blue acrylic enamel, all new interior, all the gauges work, original style 710 by 15 wheels, original bill of sale, original keys, spare tire, and jack. This car came out of a private collection. I got a couple cars from the gentleman last week, and he got a car from me. So here it is, 1951 Mercury. And I'm going to tell you what, this car with that overdrive, I just drove this car just a little bit ago down the road. This car will go down the road like you're riding on a cloud at 70 miles an hour with that overdrive on. Just such a cool car. The interior in this car is absolutely gorgeous. The chrome, stainless, and bright work on this car, you can see it's really, really in very, very nice shape. The grill, all the bars on the grill, got to be one of the most iconic grills ever. Your headlight bezels, your chrome up here. Wide whites, hubcaps. Check out all that stainless trim down the sides of the car. Is in great shape. The glass is really nice. Interior in this thing is fabulous. The seats are all redone. The guy was a professional upholsterer guy that done these all back to original specs. Dome lights all work. What a gorgeous car. Glove box, even your glove box light works. Door panels, super nice. Same with the back seat. They're so comfortable. Headliner, sun visors. Super cool car. 1951 Merc. I guess I locked that. Same with this car, a back bumper. Really nice. Taillight bezels, chrome exhaust tips. Gotta find what I did with the key. I stuck it on the seat somewhere. Thought. There we go. I got it in my pocket. Want to be able to start her up for you. Thing runs awesome. Headlights, turn signals. great running and driving old car. Tail lights, license plate light. The body paint interior of this car is really nice. Got a couple little spots. Got a couple bubbles here and a couple bubbles down here. You got to think though, this car has probably been done. I bet this car's been done for 30 years. The same way on this side, got a couple bubbles way down here on the bottom of the fender. I mean, that's what we do here at Kenyon Classic. I'll show you the good and the bad. I mean, you could have somebody spot them in or touch that up for probably $500-600 bucks. You know, that's what it is, but I want you to know. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Underneath the car is super solid. Just a very, very nice, clean, old Mercury. Probably gonna price this car $24,900. I think somebody's gonna get a great car for that money. Somebody's really gonna enjoy this car. Oh, takes about both hands to lift that big hood up. Very quiet running little flathead. This car's had a really, really good home. It's the last two owners of this car have been collectors, so it hasn't been a car that's been flipped around a bunch. It's just, you know, been somebody's baby. It'll be somebody else's baby when it's all done. Got a nice little sign there that goes with the car. Got a service manual, shop manual for the car. Continuing to make it better. Rare 51 Merc custom sedan, or Merc sedan. New improvements, correct Mercury heads, machined and coated, ceramic coat exhaust manifolds, all new head and manifold bolts, new spark plug wires, new distributor cap, radiator painted with new cap, new radiator hoses and clamps, engine painted and detailed. And then in this book here, there is a bunch of original paperwork on the car, bill of sale. That's pretty cool. December 14th, 1950. That's pretty neat. Don't see all that stuff very often. Copies of the title, as a couple times it changed hands. It was in the AACA judging. I think they said it was a junior grand prize? Oh, your vehicle will now compete for the senior award. It won national first place in judging class 26, and now it's going to compete on the senior grand prize winner if you wanted to do it again. But here it is, gorgeous 1951 Merc four-door sedan. Beautiful car, everybody. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this 1951 Merc, give us a call, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We'd love to talk to you. I hope you all have a great afternoon and a great evening, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kenyon Classics. Thanks, everyone.